He had the biggest biceps in the gym. Everyone could see it. Every single day. Curls, curls, and more curls. His arms were massive. But something strange was happening. No matter how much he trained, his arms stopped growing. He was stuck. And the reason why is going to completely change the way you think about building muscle. Here is the thing most people never figure out. Your muscles do not work alone. Every single muscle in your body has a partner on the other side. Your biceps has the triceps, your chest has your back, your quads have your hamstrings. They are like two people on opposite ends of a rope. And here is the part nobody tells you. If one side of that rope gets too strong and the other side stays weak, your body actually puts the brakes on. It slows down the stronger side on purpose, not to punish you, to protect you, because your body is smart. It knows that a super strong muscle with a weak partner on the other side is a broken joint waiting to happen. Think of it like a sports car with no brakes. The engine might be incredibly powerful, but if the brakes are terrible, you cannot go full speed into a corner. So what do? You slow down. Your body does the exact same thing. When your dominant muscle gets too far ahead of its partner, your brain taps the brakes automatically. Your growth slows down. Your strength stops increasing. And you have no idea why. Because you are still training just as hard as before. This is exactly what happened to our stick figure friend. Massive biceps, almost no triceps. His body looked at that imbalance and said no more. Not until you fix the other side. And here is where it gets really interesting. If you are getting value from this, go ahead and subscribe to the movement sketch right now. And drop a comment below telling me, do you train both sides of your body equally? Or do you always go harder on your favorite muscles? I read every single one. So what is the fix? Simple. You stop ignoring the muscles you never think about. The ones hiding behind the flashy ones. The back behind the chest. The hamstrings behind the quads. The triceps behind the biceps. When you start giving those weaker muscles the same attention, something incredible happens. The brake comes off. Your body finally feels safe enough to let the dominant muscle grow again. And both sides start growing together, faster than either one was growing alone. Our stick figure friend started training his triceps just as hard as his biceps. Within weeks, his arms started growing again. Not because he worked harder on his biceps, because he finally stopped ignoring his triceps. The strongest people in the world are not the ones who found their best muscle and hammered it every day. They are the ones who built everything equally. Because a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. And your body knows exactly where that weak link is, even when you do not. Stop chasing the muscles you love. Start building the ones you ignore. That is how you break through. That is how you grow.